5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Alright, so hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chris Hakome and we are going to be doing some Alzapua for tangos. I created this Alzapua Falseta just for you for my development program for tangos. So if you are new to Alzapua, this is not the place to start, okay? But we're going to have a great time. Let me know if you have any questions at all as far as how the mechanics of Alzapua works. I can send you some material and talk to you about how to progress in that particular technique, okay? Okay, so this particular falseta starts, it's pretty much all 16th notes. The majority of the Alzapua is. It starts on the and after one, okay? So we go one, da 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 ba da da, okay? So we start with this shape of 2 with the E, with our first finger on the second fret of the 4th string. And we have these 2 little fingers on the 3rd fret of the 3rd and the 2nd string, okay? So it's this shape here, 2, 3, 3, 0, okay? So that's what we're going to be working from. So we have our Alzapua. We're going to start with our thumb on. It should be placed on the 4th string, okay? I use a golpe here. You don't have to use a golpe. You can just go straight, okay? So the golpe technique is another technique that if you're not already fluent in it, then don't add this right now, okay? So we have that. We go. We have this shape 2, 3, 3. We go down, up. Now we hit just the 4th string, just that E note, just that note. Then we just hit that note. Our thumb follows through. It should be on the 3rd string. We play down, up again. Okay, so we go. Let's do that again. Now I hit that E again, and I hammer on the F with my 2nd finger, my only available finger. Okay, so we go. Okay. So that again. And then we're gonna, I place it right away, which actually cuts that note. And then we play the E, pull that off to D, and then we play the C. Okay? We do that twice. Yep. Okay? Play that twice. Then we're going to start from the E again. So we're going to do the same beginning, but now we pull off to the D. Our thumb is there on the 3rd string. I play the D, hammer onto the C. So I'm playing the D string, I hammer on the C on the A string, the 5th string. So I call that a ghost hammer-on. So I just get used to doing that, work that a lot. Okay, so we have, I played the D string and did that ghost hammer-on, but my thumb should be, because it played the D string, it should be resting on the G. Now I play down, up there. And then I play the B flat on the 5th string and pull off, high E with my index finger, and I'm going to do a rasgueado, A, M, I, and then the I up is the downbeat. So this is 5 and 6, 7. That up with the index is 7, and then there's no 8 because that's the end of the phrase, the end of the tangos compás. When you close it, it should be on beat 7, generally, okay? It's more like a guideline, not a rule, all right? So now let me just play this with the metronomes. So 88 beats per minute. That seems to be a happy place for the slow work for tangos, okay? 5, 6. Oh, remember we start after the 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Hopefully that all makes sense, especially with the music right in front of you. You can make notes on your own. If you have questions, send them to me right now while you're thinking of it. Email me those questions, okay? Please email me. It's hard to keep track of through other methods. Please email me if you have questions, okay? 120. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Hopefully that makes tons of sense, easy to, to understand, and now it's about making it applicable for you, okay? The other thing that I did want to mention is those golpes. I would notate where they are. I'm going to leave that to you. It's good for you to study the score and write that in on your own. And if you hear a golpe somewhere else, add it in on your own, okay? Cool. Again, I'm here for you. I appreciate you. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Get to work.